The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the 8th day of November. I hope you're doing well this morning. It is also Election Day. Have you heard about the election? Yeah, there's actually an election today. Listen, I hope all of you exercise your right as a free American. Go to the polls and vote today. I know a lot of folks are disgusted by the whole process, but don't forget, we're not just voting for the President of the United States today. We're voting for many other offices, many other issues. So please vote today. It is our right. It is our privilege. It is our duty. I'll see you at the polls. All right. I'm done with my speech. In the weather headlines this morning, the drought emergency in Alabama has expanded. Now, a no-burn order covers every county in the state of Alabama. That's getting worse. There is actually rain on the radar this morning that I'm going to show you. But the chances that all of us are going to see raindrops looking very small with this particular system. One of the models gives us hope in the next 7 days. We'll look at that. Also, some cooler air coming in for the weekend. And maybe the coolest air of the season, perhaps, by the time we get to Sunday. Here is your morning weather briefing. On the early morning radar, as I make this video, there are actually some showers showing up in West Alabama and Southwest Alabama. And you would think that they are going to translate eastward, but unfortunately, I don't think the chances are very good that we're going to be benefiting from those showers. This evening, the map shows a frontal system approaching northwest Mississippi, heading on to the southeast with at least a possibility of some showers. Rain chances are not zero, but as you look at future radar, you get the idea. Notice how all that rain out to the west of us kind of just evaporates as it gets into our area. It bumps up against that ridge of high pressure and just kind of dries out. So we're used to that. We've seen that the last few weeks. Mostly cloudy on this election day. I'll put in a 20% chance of showers this evening and tonight. Please vote. Today's high 73, tonight's low 52, north wind 6 to 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow morning, low pressure south of Louisiana could mean for a few showers in extreme South Alabama, so we'll keep that possibility intact. Later in the week, a big cool down comes down from Canada briefly, and that means some cooler days and some cooler nights ahead. Thursday is going to be sunny with high temperatures in the mid-70s, but the nights will start to get cooler, especially over the weekend. I think Friday, a much cooler air is heading in, so we start to pick up a little breeze. Temperatures still in the 70s. Saturday is breezy and cooler. Look at the snow up in the lee shores of the Lake Erie and even into portions of West Virginia. There's the freeze line in the North Alabama Sunday morning. Sunday will be the coolest morning we've had so far and the coolest day of the season so far. Next few days, 76 tomorrow. I'll put in that 20% chance of showers, mainly for South Alabama. On Thursday, high around 74. Look at the mornings back into the mid-40s, and then eventually the low 40s by Sunday morning. Afternoon high on Sunday around 69. Here is the QPF, the Quantitative Precipitation Outlook. Chance of rain is mainly South Alabama over the 7-day period on this particular forecast. Lots of rain out in the Gulf of Mexico. You see that down to the south? GFS out 10 days is not very kind to us. It shows no rain for most of us, but a lot of rain just south of the Gulf Coast. That's the GFS, the American global model. The European is a little more generous, showing scattered showers across South Alabama, especially this would be the Sunday night into Monday system. And then it shows some of us could get wet here in central Alabama. That would be, you see that blue bar on the bottom? That would be Sunday night into Monday. So that's our best hope. And then a big drop in temperatures according to the European out 10 days. After that, that would be around the 17th, 18th of the month. And on the temperatures, you can see those cool days around Sunday and Monday. You also see another string of cool days as we get later in the month. So we're going to be trending cooler, no doubt about that, as we get later in the month, approaching Thanksgiving as well. There's the GFS out 16 days, showing that cool days Saturday and Sunday and into Monday. Cool mornings, especially Sunday and Monday morning, the coolest we've seen so far this year. So get ready. It's going to be chilly, but the rain chances are not very good right now. All right, so here's the plan. No video tomorrow morning. I just don't want a 2 a.m. alarm because I'm a history buff, and I'm going to be in front of the TV. I want to see all this election stuff unfolding in front of me. So no 2 a.m. alarm, no video in the morning, but I will be on the radio at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and videos will return on Thursday morning. It's actually my birthday too, so I might go get an early dinner and then park myself in front of the big video screen and watch all this election stuff. You will hear my forecast across the dial on the radio, though, on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of radio stations. I hope you have a great day today. Please vote, and I will see you again for another video on Thursday morning, okay? Thanks.
Rich Thomas weather.